Cave Lightning McQueen. Boy, have I got a lot to say about him. I mean, for starters, yeah, he appears to be based on a dinosaur. Now, if you're wondering why this is, it's because yeah, he appeared in the Dino Park episode of Cars on the Road in during Mater's little daydream sequence thingamabob, you know. And yeah, he also has a one of those wooden plank fencing route. Spoiler, sorry, if that's what you call it. There we go. You can probably see it. Well, not as good as me, of course, but you get the point. You can still see it. And he appears to be made of stone. Oh, he looks like he's made of stone. That is. That's not to say he actually is made of stone. It's just he looks like it. If we look right here, it looks like it's kind of glittery as well. So that's another thing I've got to say about the guy. Don't know how well you can see that glitter, but yeah, so it's definitely there. It's more prominent on the bonnet, if you ask me. He also appears to have mossy, muddy stone wheels, as well with the same straw side exhausts, 4 of them, just like the real Lightning McQueen has. He also has a little, well, not little, but it's a big forehead. Nearly forgot the name of it for a second. Yeah. Yeah, it kind of looks like a double chin with a line down the middle. Is that what it's called, a double chin? I don't know, but a double forehead. That doesn't sound quite right. Still, more of that straw roof. Oh no, sorry, spoiler. Why did I say straw roof? I actually had absolutely no idea. Yeah, of course, this is from Car on the Road, and still got that same straw and underside as well, which is pretty cool if you ask Guy. And I think he's a pretty cool variant of Lightning McQueen. Have a great day, folks.